Should I buy Honk now? We think that Honk might have a small correction over the next few days, based on the technical signs we looked at. Investors should wait to buy Honk until after this happens. Is Honk a good stock to buy? Our technical study of Honk shows that this cryptocurrency is a good investment right now based on the way it is moving. Should you put your money into Honk? Based on our price prediction, our research shows that Honk is a good option right now. What's next for Honk? Honk has strong roots, and a lot of people have invested in it. This makes us think that the future looks bright for Honk. Honk, how high can you go? This year, the average price of Honk might be more than $0.02393. The price of Honk is likely to go above $0.108483 in the next 5 years. The price of Honk is $0.015953 right now, which is $547.60% more than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Honk is expected to grow a lot. With a score of 0 out of 100, Honk is currently showing signs of going down. $0.028716 is the price that the bulls think Honk will reach by the end of 2023. In the last 24 hours, the price of Honk has gone down by 6.56%. After going through a bear market, Honk has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Honk is likely to hit a high point of $0.060623 in the next few years, thanks to its recent growth. Due to the bullish time Honk has been going through, investors have seen returns on their money of over 547.6% this past week. After looking at Honk's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little in the next few days. Our Honk price prediction says that the price will go down by $0.000431 in the next 7 days and hit $0.015523 on February 5, 2024. Honor is worth $0.015953 right now, and it's ranked number 2322 among all cryptocurrencies. Honk has no supply at the moment and a market value of $0, meaning it is worth nothing. The price of Honk has gone down by 6.56% in the last 24 hours. Honk has grown steadily over the past week, going up by 547.6%. Investors in Honk are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Honk has gone up by 547.6% in the last 30 days, going from $0.002463 to $0.01349 and bringing the market capitalization to $0. Today is not a good time to buy Honk. You should wait until there is another bear market. In the last 90 days, the price of Honk has gone up by 547.6%, adding $0.01349 to its value of $0.002463.